Welcome to A Plus Health Life channel. We discuss the ways to fulfill your life with more quality and inform you on ways to get to your life goals with less effort. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. What you need to know about yogurt. For a long time, yogurt has been touted for its health benefits, ranging from gut health to possibly contributing to weight loss. Did you know yogurt is full of probiotics, calcium, protein and many other healthful nutrients? However, yogurt can be chock full of sugar. Many single-serving yogurts contain as much sugar as a Snickers candy bar. But yogurt can be part of a healthy, balanced diet. What makes yogurt healthy? Yogurt. Yogurt is a great source of protein, especially the Greek varieties. Protein is digested more slowly, giving you energy from your food over a longer period of time, and may keep you satiated longer than carbohydrate-rich foods. This is why having yogurt at meal or snack times can help stave off the munchies later. The vitamins in yogurt can vary depending on the brand and whether it is fortified, but vitamins that are common in most yogurts include thiamine, riboflavin, B12 and folate. Other vitamins include vitamin A and C in lesser amounts. Yogurt is bursting with minerals including calcium, phosphorus, and potassium. Calcium in yogurt is more easily absorbed in the body compared to non-dairy calcium sources such as green leafy vegetables or soy milk. Calcium and phosphorus are especially important for building strong, healthy bones. Probiotics are organisms that help establish the healthy bacteria found inside your gut. These healthy bacteria may help boost immunity, crowd out bad bacteria, produce B vitamins important in metabolism, as well as many other benefits. Not all yogurts have active probiotic cultures, but you can check the packaging for the live and active cultures stamp to guarantee that it does. This stamp is voluntary, so not all yogurts will have it. Another way to check is to look at the ingredients to see if it says whether it contains live or active cultures. Foods such as yogurt-covered pretzels or candies do not have active probiotic cultures. True or false? I'm lactose intolerant, so I can't eat yogurt. False. Some people have difficulty digesting lactose, naturally occurring milk sugar. Lactose intolerance can cause intestinal discomfort when food or beverages containing lactose are consumed. When milk is cultured to make yogurt, lactose is changed to lactic acid, which reduces the lactose content considerably. Yogurt also has probiotics that help in the digestion of lactose, making yogurt an option for those with lactose intolerance. I don't eat dairy, so I can't eat yogurt. False. Vegans are individuals who don't eat any animal products and may avoid dairy for a number of reasons. If this is true for you, finding a dairy-free yogurt alternative can help you still enjoy the taste and texture of yogurt. Alternative options include soy, coconut or almond milk-based yogurts. Look for varieties that are lower in sugar, particularly those that are unsweetened, have probiotics added and are fortified with calcium. All yogurts are high in sugar. False. Sugar levels vary between types and flavors of yogurt. There is about 12 grams of naturally occurring sugar in a plain 6-ounce container of yogurt. This may vary. Higher levels on the label suggest that extra sugar was added from fruit or added sweeteners, such as dried cane syrup, agave, and honey. It is important to read the ingredients and nutrition facts label to find yogurts with lower added sugars. If you prefer the taste of sweetened yogurt, try balancing out your sugar intake over the day. For example, instead of having yogurt during the day and a helping of dessert in the evening, swap out the dessert and have the yogurt instead. You can also try sweetening plain yogurt by adding fruit. Being mindful of how much sugar you've had each day will allow you to maintain a balanced diet while still enjoying some of your favorite foods. What to look for on the nutrition facts label. Asterisk: this flavored traditional yogurt has 26 grams of sugar, about half in the form of naturally occurring lactose and the rest from added sugar and strawberries. Asterisk: also notice the amount of protein, 5 grams. This plain Greek yogurt has 9 grams of naturally occurring lactose and no added sugars. Notice the only ingredient is milk. Asterisk: also notice the amount of protein, 22 grams. Traditional versus Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has been under the media spotlight recently, and for good reason. As you can see from the nutrition facts label above, the Greek compared to the traditional yogurt has less sugar and more protein, but there are a couple things you need to know before you start stocking your fridge with only Greek varieties. Greek yogurt is strained, which is why it has more protein and less sugar than traditional yogurt. Straining can also remove some of the sodium, whey and calcium content. Some Greek yogurt varieties are high in fat and can be very costly. Look for low-fat varieties, and if your grocery budget is tight, purchase Greek yogurt when it's on sale or stick to the traditional yogurts. Just make sure to check for low added sugar content when purchasing traditional yogurt. How to incorporate yogurt into your diet. Top yogurt with berries and granola to eat as a snack or for breakfast. Add to smoothies. Substitute Greek yogurt in place of sour cream. Freeze and enjoy as frozen yogurt. Plain and unsweetened yogurt makes a great addition to not only sweet, but savory recipes, too. Create yogurt-based salad dressings such as cilantro lime dressing, see recipe below. The addition of plain yogurt provides protein and flavor without adding added sugar. Substitute yogurt for butter or oil in baked recipes. Replace half the butter with half that amount of yogurt. Replace half the oil with 3/4 that amount of yogurt. For example, recipes calling for 1 cup of butter or oil. Replace 1/2 cup of the butter with 1/4 cup of yogurt. Replace 1/2 cup of oil with 6 tablespoons of yogurt. 7 Go Greek. Greek yogurt is higher in protein and usually lower in sugar. Cilantro lime salad dressing. Ingredients: cilantro lime salad dressing. 1 cup chopped cilantro. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. 2 tablespoons lime juice. 1 to 2 garlic cloves. 1/4 cup olive oil. 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider or white wine vinegar. 1/8 teaspoon salt. Preparation. Combine all ingredients into a blender or food processor and process until smooth. Serve on any salad of your choosing. Keep refrigerated. Unless you know exactly what you're looking for, a trip to the yogurt section can be overwhelming. There are so many varieties, flavors and brands that you might be tempted to just grab something and run. But not all creamy dairy options are created equal. Here's a look at the good, the bad and the basics of this dairy staple. History of yogurt. People have been eating yogurt for thousands of years. It originated from countries in Western Asia and the Middle East, and is a key part of the daily diet in many cultures. Researchers believe the word, yogurt, likely comes from the Turkish word, yogurmak, which means to thicken or curdle. There are stories of herdsmen who carried milk in pouches that were made of skins of animals. As they carried those sacks, the combination of natural enzymes in the pouches and body heat fermented the milk. The result was a thick, edible food that stayed fresh longer than milk. Interest in yogurt varies by country. Most polls show that France, for example, has the largest per capita consumption of yogurt worldwide. In contrast, according to statistics from a study, only about 6% of people in the US eat yogurt every day in the US. Why yogurt is healthy? Depending on the type and specific ingredients, you'll find many health benefits in yogurt. Probiotics. The active living, good, bacteria in some yogurt are known as probiotics. There's still continuing research in the area, but there's evidence probiotics can help with gastrointestinal issues and to maintain a healthy digestive tract. Probiotics have been found to help with diarrhea, constipation, lactose intolerance, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, colon cancer and H. pylori infection. Some probiotic strains are also believed to boost the immune system and may help discourage vaginal infections. Protein. Yogurt is rich in protein with about 11 grams for 8 ounces of low-fat traditional fruit yogurt and 18 grams for low-fat fruit Greek yogurt. Your body uses protein to build bones, skin, muscles, blood and cartilage. Getting enough protein also helps you feel full so you don't overeat. Nutrients. Yogurt is full of the same nutrients found in other dairy foods, It's rich in calcium, which is important for building and maintaining healthy teeth and bones. Loading up on calcium can help protect against osteoporosis. Because calcium works best when paired with vitamin D, it's best to eat yogurt that's vitamin D fortified. Yogurt is also high in B vitamins like B12 and riboflavin, which may protect against heart disease. Yogurt is rich in potassium, phosphorus and magnesium, which are all important for key body functions. Watch out for the sugar. The Academy suggests you skip fruit or flavored yogurt. Instead, choose plain yogurt and add fresh fruit, vanilla or cinnamon to avoid added sugar. It can make a big difference. For example, non-fat plain Greek yogurt can have 0 grams of added sugar, while some fruit on the bottom traditional yogurts can have as much as 24 grams per serving container. Types of yogurt. Back to that crowded yogurt section where you're trying to decide what to put in your grocery cart. There are at least a half dozen different types of yogurt. Plus, many of those types come in an array of flavors. Strawberry is the most popular flavor, followed closely by vanilla, blueberry and peach. You'll find those flavors in all these main varieties on the shelves. Traditional yogurt. Made with milk, this unstrained yogurt is creamy and not as thick as some other types. It can come with or without fruit and in many flavors. Depending on the type of milk that was used to make it, traditional yogurt comes in regular, low-fat or no-fat varieties. Non-dairy yogurt. If you can't or don't want to eat dairy, there are options like almond, soy and coconut yogurts. They typically have textures similar to traditional yogurts, but often have added sugars. Kefir. This fermented drink is high in protein, calcium, probiotics, vitamin D and other nutrients. It often has a tart, bubbly taste. What is yogurt, exactly? Yogurt is basically fermented milk. Milk that's heated and mixed with 2 types of live bacteria, Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. This is good bacteria, by the way, the probiotic kind that keeps our gut healthy. The bacteria converts the sugar in milk, called lactose, to lactic acid. As this happens, the mixture sets and develops the characteristic tang. Kefir is often called drinkable yogurt, but it is different than yogurt because it contains different bacteria, and many more of them, as well as yeast. The extras. Depending on what you want or don't want in your yogurt, it's a good idea to read the labels. Fruits and sweeteners add flavor. Gums, pectins and starches help stabilize and prevent discoloration by other ingredients and give yogurt its creamy mouthfeel. Many yogurt makers add other species of bacteria in addition to the 2 required to make yogurt. You'll see them listed on the carton with the phrase, "contains live and active cultures." Some yogurts don't contain any live active bacteria at all. If yogurt is heat-treated after culturing, that step extends the shelf life but also wipes out the probiotics. Yogurt is often touted as a gut-healthy food. It's loaded with probiotics, calcium and protein, which have been correlated with better gastrointestinal health and improved bone density. Yet research and health experts have discussed how dairy might be rather inflammatory, contributing to acne, digestive issues, and an increase in cholesterol. So how should we really navigate the yogurt aisle? Should we stick to eating plant-based options, or simply enjoy it if we aren't experiencing any intolerance symptoms? Here, the pros and cons of this type of dairy. The reputed pros. 1. It's loaded with probiotics. Yogurt contains probiotics, which are essentially for a healthy gut microbiome. The gut microbiome is an important system that affects so many other processes in our bodies, not just our digestion, but our mood and immune systems, too, so it's imperative that we keep it in tip-top shape. Kefir is especially gut healthy, as it has a higher protein and probiotic content than regular yogurt. While not technically considered a yogurt, it has a thinner consistency and is best consumed as a drink. The 2 are similarly fermented and have that creamy, tart taste. Kefir has a larger variety of beneficial probiotics compared to yogurt, so this will help promote healthy digestion and microbiome health. It's important to note that yogurt's probiotic content can become a little fishy if you're not mindful of your sources. If the yogurt is homogenized, most of the beneficial bacteria are killed off by the heat treatment. Those that survive need to make it past the stomach acid to take up residence in the large intestine. 2. Yogurt has calcium. Yogurt also contains calcium, but keep in mind that calcium alone will not improve bone density. Vitamin D and magnesium are both essential for the utilization of calcium by the bone matrix. Yogurt contains scant amounts of both. In fact, gathered data from nearly 80,000 women, he found no evidence of reduced risk of hip fractures in women who consumed 1 to 3 servings of dairy daily. If you're looking to optimize your bone health, try eating a kale salad with almonds. It contains the ideal ratio of calcium to magnesium for optimal bone density. 3. It's packed with protein. A 4-ounce serving of Greek yogurt contains 12 grams of protein. This is equivalent to 2 eggs and roughly half a 4-ounce serving of fish. In this case, yogurt trumps on the protein front. Greek and Icelandic yogurt are particularly protein-packed, and they're strained in a way that yields a naturally thick and rich texture, perfect to add in baking recipes as a substitute for cream or buttermilk. However, if you can't tolerate dairy or are following a vegan lifestyle, there are plenty of plant-based protein sources for you to incorporate into your diet as well. Yogurt can be mucus-forming. Yogurt and dairy, for that matter, can be mucus-forming, particularly in individuals who have a sensitivity to dairy or are lactose intolerant. Approximately 60% of the people on whom I run food sensitivity tests have a dairy sensitivity, which means they are reacting to a protein molecule in milk. When I took them off yogurt and milk, their chronic sinusitis and congestion went away. It can contain harmful hormones. Dairy contains a hormone called insulin-like growth factor, IGF-1, and high levels of IGF-1 have been linked to cancer cell proliferation. A small amount of dairy does not show a cancer correlation, so don't be afraid to dip your turmeric cauliflower in a yogurt sauce if you get the chance. As always, a healthy lifestyle is all about balance. The truth is, eating organic yogurt once per week won't induce adverse health reactions, unless you have a dairy sensitivity or are lactose intolerant. However, if you do suffer from symptoms of intolerance, it might be worth it to skip the daily consumption altogether. While yogurt is a convenient snack, there are plenty of other plant-based options that provide a similar nutritional punch. On the other hand, if you can tolerate yogurt, you might want to stick with a plain version. Often those flavored products can be packed with sugar, making it not so healthy of a choice in the end. To satisfy your sweet tooth, you can add fresh, organic berries for a naturally sweetened parfait. From fighting off the common cold to helping people lose weight, the benefits of yogurt makes it one of your body's best friends. And it all goes back to the ancient Greeks. See, their thick strained yogurt is bursting with muscle-building, belly-blasting protein, bone-strengthening calcium, and gut-toughening probiotics that have been shown to improve cognitive function. It sort of makes you wonder if this tangy, tart dairy product and the sheer amount of stuff the Greeks got done back then are in some way related. So what exactly happens to your body when you do eat yogurt? Below are some of the benefits of eating yogurt. You might just be surprised at how good for you yogurt is, especially Greek yogurt. For more foods that will make you feel and look like a Greek god or goddess, check out the best foods to eat for muscle definition and toning. Your smile will last longer. Even plain Greek yogurt contains some sugar, but unlike many other types of yogurt products, it wasn't added. This is lactose, the sugar found in milk, and an 8-ounce serving of Greek yogurt has around 9 grams of this naturally occurring sugar. The good news is that despite its sugar content, yogurt doesn't cause cavities. None of the yogurts that scientists in Turkey tested were found to erode tooth enamel, which is the main cause of decay. Bonus: people who eat at least 2 ounces of yogurt reduce their risk of severe periodontal disease by 60%, compared with those who skip it. Your brain power gets fired up. After studies proved that animals' brain function was altered by gut bacteria, researchers wanted to see if the same phenomenon could also be observed in humans. They took 3 groups of people. To Group A they gave yogurt with probiotics, To Group B a yogurt like dairy product, and to poor old Group C, they got nothing. The women who ate the real yogurt showed increased connectivity in the periaqueductal gray region and the prefrontal cortex, which affects cognition. Get smarter by dipping your spoon into some yogurt. Sounds good to us. Your belly gets a reboot. Greek yogurt is strained more times than traditional yogurt, making it thicker, higher in fat-blasting protein and increasing the amount of probiotics. These live microorganisms, good bacteria, in Greek yogurt can not only help improve your digestive system but also help your body absorb nutrients and improve your immune health. Greek yogurt may also help ease gastrointestinal conditions like constipation, inflammatory bowel disease, and lactose intolerance. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.